Hi, I'm Joe Baker. We are here at the PRI show, and we are introducing the ACF200 boring milling machine. This is a dual combination machine that lets you bore and resurface all in one machine. Now it's time to show you some of the features. This is the Comec boring spindle. It comes with two boring heads, and it has a boring range of 3.3 to over 6.5 inches. It comes standard with a very easy to set micrometer. Set it and forget it. To change or to load in, all you do is do 4 bolts, and then it is tight. So it's easy to change from the boring spindle back to the milling spindle. This is the table on the ACF200. It is over 2 inches thick and also has T-slots all the way through. On the ends, it makes it very easy to put the T-bolts in. It comes standard with a set of 8-inch parallels and also the fingertip lineup fixture for doing heads and blocks. That is all standard. We are showing it at the PRI show with the optional racing V8 fixture. This is for precise 90-degree angle of the block. This is the ACF200 easy-to-use control panel. Everything is variable speed. We've got variable speed column, table traverse, spindle, and it also shows your RPM. You can also hear is your table direction for milling. And if you would ever happen to make a mistake, there is an easy emergency stop. As you can see, everything is variable speed. We are showing you here the optional Newell 3-axis digital readout. This allows for precise centering and movement of the table up and down for precise boring and milling. This is ideal for all of your racing applications. Remember, everything is ball screw driven on the ACF200. Column as well as table. The controls for moving in and out and side to side are very easy. This is the standard ACF200 CBN milling plate. It is 13 inches wide and comes standard with 2 CBN tool holders and the Comec feature of the incline slide PCD. That acts as a counterweight as well as your PCD. Nothing must be taken out to switch from CBN to PCD. Loosen up one set screw and move it in and out. Very simple to connect to the machine. Tighten 4 bolts and you're ready to go. Thank you for watching our short video on the ACF200. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact Joe Baker Equipment Sales directly or Comec on their website. And remember, with all Comec machines, it is very easy to use, operate, and when you're done, collect the money.